everybody, welcome back to Bearded Cubing 101. My name is Joe, I'm your host of the Bearded Cuber. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the 2x2x4. I got two of them in front of me. This is the standard one, which I broke, and I super glued the piece back in. I think it might be this one, I'm not sure. And then this one's the crazy version of this, and I almost broke this one today. So I'm going to have to go easy on these. They move real good. But you know, cheap plastic is cheap plastic. You know, I'm just gonna call it the way I see it. But let's get started. I'll show you how to do it on this one. I'm gonna really take it easy on this one, and then I'm gonna show you all the variations of the situations that may come up on this one. So this one here is just gonna be the real quick tutorial, and then this one here is gonna be the in-depth one. You know what? Let's all right. Let's get started. Okay, so I've got the crazy one scrambled, and let's get 2x2 going. Just any which way, get anything up there so you can get yourself a 2x2. And alright, so this is one of the figures that can come up, and we're going to cover all 7 figures that are going to come up. Okay, so if you have this is the right-handed sided version of the Soon algorithm, which is RU, RIU, R2U, RI. Okay. Now let's say you have this one. Okay. Well, this is the left-handed version of the Soon algorithm, which is LI, UI, LI, 2U, L. Okay, so let me show you what the other ones are. Okay, so if the cube ended up looking like this, then you're going to do just hold it just like this and do the Soon algorithm from the right and go RU, RIU, R, 2U, RI, And then you're going to end up with the right-handed 3-cycle version, right? So it's R-U, R-I-U, R, 2U, R-I. Okay, and that's how you do, we'll call that one figure 1. Okay, so this is figure number 2. If this is what you end up with, then just hold it just like this and do the student algorithm from the right. R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R, I. And then you'll end up with the left-hand sided version. You're just going to go L-I-U-I, L-U-I, L-I, 2U, L. And that's figure number 2. Let's move on. Okay, so this one here is figure number 3. If you have it like this, just do the student algorithm from the right, which is R-U, R-I-U, R, 2U, R-I. And then you're just going to do the student algorithm from the right again. R-U, R-I-U, R, 2U, R-I. Okay, let's move on to figure number 4. Okay, so this is figure number 4. You can have 2 versions. You can have the long version or the short version. If you want to do this the long way, hold it just like this and go R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R, I. And you'll end up with what you saw in figure number 2. And if you have the figure number 2, you just hold it just like this and go just like that. And go R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R, I. And then from here, hold it like that and do this left-sided version. L-I-U-I, L-U-I, L-I, 2U, L. Okay, now if you want to do the short version of figure 4, hold it just like that. Okay, right in front of you. And go R-U, R-I-U, R, 2U, R-I. And you're going to do the left-hand sided version. L-I-U-I, L-U-I, L-I, 2U, L. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is figure number 5. In figure number 5, just like in figure number 4, you can do it one of 2 ways. You can do it the long way or the short way. So let's do it the long way first. Just like this, hold it right in front of you and just do R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R, I. Okay, and then that leads you into figure number 1. Okay, and then just do it again. R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R, I. Right, and that leads you into the right-handed version. R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R-I. Okay, so that was the long version. Let me show you the short version. Okay, so this is the short version of figure number 5. Instead of holding it like this, you're just going to hold it off to the side, just like this. Okay, just like that. And do the student algorithm from the right. R, U, R, I, U, R, 2U, R, I. And then you'll end up with the left-hand sided version of the algorithm. L-I-U-I, L-U-I, L-I, 2U, L. Okay, so now that we know all the possible ways of getting it back into a cuboid form, let's go ahead and finish up the solve. Okay, so let's look for 2 that match. In this case, I have 2 oranges. I have a blue on one side, and an opposite of blue is going to be green, so that's good. So that's a good match right there. So let's go ahead and try to place these 2 pieces now. So I know I need a green here, and opposite of orange is going to be red. So I know I need a green red. So let's see if I can find a green red. Okay, so there's a green red right here, but if I turn that up, it doesn't match correctly. So it must be this one, not this one. It's got to be this one. So put that there and slide that up. Okay, so that one matches. All right, how about this one? This is going to require a red and a blue. Okay, a red and a blue right there. There's a red blue right there right now, but obviously that doesn't fit, so it's going to have to be this red blue. So just turn it to the back and go 2R U, 2R UI, 2R from the back to the front, just right there, and do it again. 2R U, 2R UI, 2R. Now we're going to flip the cube upside down. So this is the completed section right here. We're looking to complete this section now, right? And basically we want to complete the 2x2 in the middle here. And we're going to do that by using the traditional headlight algorithm. Now we're looking for headlights, okay? So no headlights there, or there. So we're going to have to create a set of headlights. We're going to do that by going 2RU, 2RUI, 2RUI, D, 2RUI, 2RU, 2R. Okay, now we have a set of headlights. Let's keep that to our left and do the same thing again. 2RU, 2RUI, 2RUI, D, 2RUI, 2RU, 2R. And then just turn it. Now you got your center 2x2 complete. Okay, so let's have a look at here what we got going on here. We have white on top. We have red facing us and blue to our right. So we want red, white, and blue. Okay, and what we want to do is just take any piece up here, any white piece up here. This one just happens to be in place. Okay, so that's good. So we're going to place this one correctly, and this one correctly. So let's have a look at what's going on the bottom. So we have a blue and orange, a white, blue, orange. So let's go ahead and see if we can place that white, blue, orange. We'll put it here, and it's going to go right up here. Okay, and we're going to place it from here to here by going 2RU, 2RUI, 2R. Then from the back to the front, do the same thing. 2RU, 2RUI, 2R. Okay. Let's move on. Let's do this one. White, green, and orange. So that goes right here. So we're going to take the white, green, orange, and we're going to put it way back here. Okay. This piece here is going to go right there. Right? And we're going to do that by going 2RU, 2RUI, 2R from the back to the front. Okay. Go 2RU, 2RUI, 2R. That piece is placed correctly. Last one is this one. The red, white, and blue belongs right there. This one is going to go up here. 2RU, 2RUI, 2R from the back to the front. 2RU, 2RUI, 2R. Okay, now all these are placed correctly. Flip it upside down. And the last thing we have to deal with is this, right? So we're looking for headlights. If you don't have a set of headlights, do the traditional headlight algorithm, the one I'm going to do right now. You'll be caught up to where I'm at, and we'll continue from you. You'll be caught up from where I'm at, and then we can get this thing done. Okay, so we're just going to go 2RU, 2RUI, 2RUI, D, 2RUI, 2RU, 2R, and then just bring that back. Okay, and that's how you solve both of these cubes. All right, that wasn't too bad. All right, so that's it. We'll see you next time on Bearded Cubing 101, and take care. We'll see you soon.